Hey everyone, what's up? It's Jesse from Jesse Order Productions, and welcome to a special 4 multi-part episode of Sonic Boom called Robots from the Sky. I just hope you enjoy it. Alright, here we go.
What a great turnout for our charity car wash.
Oh, car wash.
New daycare center's gonna be funded in no time.
Ah, Dave has a car! Oh my god, Dave actually has a car. That's awesome, yeah.
What's wrong with the old daycare center?
Yeah, Dave. Oh.
It's gonna be updated.
Oh my god, there was a video clip from Saya that was actually oh my god. There was a music video from the Australian singer called Saya. I think that's how you pronounce her name, Saya. Yeah, there was actually one music clip that has the dancer and surprisingly Shia LaBeouf in it, and they were inside this like huge cage. So that's a good reference. Hey, that's a good one.
You jerks robbed me blind. I must have had a couple of bucks in my change holder, and now there's just a few stray coins. Figured you'd leave two behind and old Eggman wouldn't notice. Well, I noticed, bucko.
Slow your roll, cue ball. We didn't take anything.
Cue bowl. Whoa. Oh, where did that shit come from?
Something off Mad Burger's just a buck menu with that money, like a half handful of fries or a thimble of chili.
Oh, is he talking about the loose chain menu from Mecca's? Well, yeah.
Whoa, what was that?
Don't try to change the subject, you change thief. Robots, attack!
Yep. Take down the robots. And Stick has a stick. Ooh.
You okay there, Bolts? Status report.
Well, I made it in one piece.
Oh, the new robots.
Lovely.
The new robots. Ooh. Oh, they're going to see them getting, some robots getting destroyed.
You mangy marmots are a miserable menace. Ah, you got me so angry and agitated, I'm illiterated.
Whoop, go Sticks. Woo! Oh, Amy. Woo! Go, Amy. Now go, dude! Woo! Go, Sonic.
Carbon-based lunatics are destroying our robot brethren.
Let's not be hasty. We don't have all the facts.
Nothing's more fun than turning your robots into scrap heaps.
Yeah, that's proof. Oh! Woo! What did that punch? Whoa.
Stepping up your game, huh, Egghead?
Yeah, sure. This here's a what's-his-face. That's who's it bot?
What's a bot? Who's a bot? What's his face? Who's a bot? Oh no, Dave's car! No! No. Dukes up has it. Whoa. A self-driven car?
Time to wrap this up.
Wrap this. Whoa! Woo! Ooh, these guys are pretty tough. Whoa! Whoa! That was... Wow!
And Sonic goes down. That's a W for Dr. E. Boom, shakalaka. Get out of here. He has a tendency to turn these things around on me.
Boom shakalaka! I'm sorry, can we just go back? Oh my god, I'm just, yeah. But once Eggman thinks that he won this battle, those robots are not his, even though, yeah, those robots are not his, okay.
And Sonic goes down. That's a W for Dr. E. Boom, shakalaka. He has a tendency to turn these things around.
Oh man, Mike! Oh my god! Thank you so much, Mike, for that line. Yep. Oh! Spin dash. Yeah. There we go.
I don't think Eggman made those. We've never seen robot technology like that before.
Mhm.
There's a very simple explanation.
Say it with me.
Robo-apocalypse is nigh. No, not nigh. No! The robo-apocalypse is now! Why don't I gather some
Too
data
soon?
and see if we can't come up with an alternate theory?
Mhm.
Fine, but until you can prove otherwise, let's all agree that the robot apocalypse is upon us and life on this planet as we know it is doomed. Sound good?
Mhm. But she's a bit too soon, right?
So you're telling me that rogue band of miscreants get their jollies to Destroying robots? Yep. And now they think they can just steal from my change cup.
Is that your change?
All right. I grabbed some change for the laundry. Anyway, they're a menace. They love nothing more than eradicating my robots. Your robots? I think of them like they're my children. Hey, that reminds me, we should change the subject. Where are you from?
Change this up it.
My town and I hail from a technological wonderland in the clouds.
Ooh,
Populated
flying
completely
utopia.
by sentient robots.
Where robots treat each other with dignity and respect, and nobody posts about politics on social media.
And if you break down, maintenance checks are provided free.
Oh my god, did they just did a little burn on Donald Trump with the politics on social media? Oh man, they really yeah, I think this was created like before the whole election, yeah.
With dignity and respect, and nobody posts about politics on social media.
Yeah, this is so before the election, the whole election, yeah. That was actually pretty good, yeah.
And if you break down, maintenance checks are provided free of charge.
Engage cough mode. So
Wait, universal health care? Like Obamacare, and in Australia we have like Medicare. Like that's what, you know, in one of the early episodes, like I think when Knuckles became mayor, Eggman's, I think it was Dave at first, and then Eggman said something like universal health care, and I said something like Obamacare, and I forgot to mention about Medicare. That's in Australia. That's like the free health care for the insurance. Yeah. Man, I feel really bad for the people who are just gonna lose their Obamacare because of Trump. And he thinks he can like actually replace with a much better one, knowing that it's the complete opposite. That's what I'm saying. It's like the complete opposite of healthcare, of the universal healthcare. Yeah.
I did free of charge.
engage cough mode. It's a well-oiled machine of a society. Wow! What do you call this miraculous place? Morristown.
Morristown.
You didn't name it something like Robotopia?
Mhm.
Or Sky Sanctuary?
What?
Those are way better names.
Wait, is that from the game, like a Sky Sanctuary? Like from one of the old Sonic the Hedgehog games? I better look it up.
Wish we had you guys up there when we were brainstorming.
So what you're saying is there are hundreds of robots just sitting up there in the sky with no overlord or anything? That's fantastic! For them, I mean.
Yeah, he wants to like take over the.
Maybe the debris will help us understand who these bots are and where they came from. And once we understand them, we can find a peaceful resolution. And once we make peace, they won't see it coming when we bash them with bricks.
No, Sticks. No, please, just be nice. Just be nice.
Holy moly! This technology is out of this world. And by that I mean it's really groovy. I bet you thought I meant it's not from this world, which is also true.
So, where exactly did this groovy ship come from?
According to the GPS history, they came from somewhere in the sky. So they're not just robots, they're aliens too! This thing just keeps getting better and better.
Yep, alien invasion. Independence Day.
To our new friendship. Orbot, Qbot, make with the refreshments. Apple juice? I told you to get apple cider!
Oh, I like some apple cider, man.
You digital dunces!
Oh no!
So
Don't
hard
act
to
in
get
front.
decent help these days.
No, you should not act like that in front of the robots until you robots in front of those guys. It will send a bad message. It'll send a bad impression.
Store and get the good stuff. That won't be necessary. It's clear you're more foe than friend to robots.
Yep.
Come on, Bolts. Let's blow this clan.
Ooh.
No, wait! That's just our dynamic. We roast each other all the time. Here, Qbot, you do me. Okay, you're ugly. What? I'll have you disassembled for that.
Yep. Oh.
There's room in our spaceship for 2 more.
Oh. Yes. Oh. Ooh.
You'll never get away with this, you ovoid oaf. Who's gonna stop me?
So, do you guys think these are the nice kind of alien robots? Or the destroy every living creature on the planet kind of
Hopefully-
alien robots?
I vote for
I vote for the first kind. Thank you, Sticks. Or Bonnie Cupid.
Sonic, you bought an Orbot earlier. Probably want a rat out Eggman.
Of course.
Are we really that predictable?
Less talking, more ratting.
Man is
Listen.
holding those charming space bots captive in his lair.
Maybe you can break them free or something.
Why should we trust you?
Can we skip the song and dance and get to the part where we go save them?
Song
I
and
wanna meet the
dance.
people who built that far-out spaceship.
Oh, song and dance.
Dipsticks, how do I get to Morristown? And no toll roads.
Toll roads. Oh, okay, okay.
We'll never tell. Maybe 10,000 volts will change your tune.
Yeesh. Oh!
Not so fast, omelet breath.
Jeez, how many times are you gonna smash that wall?
Omelet
Maybe
breath?
I should get you your own key.
Great. Right now, your stash is smashed.
Omelet breath.
You leave my facial hair out of this. Minions! You know the deal.
You know the deal. Yeah, you just... Okay, that's a good line, yeah. Robots, you know the deal. Well, we're doing this for like, what, more than, nearly 2 seasons now? Woo! Oh no, they burned up the couch!
Firebot's an outdoor robot.
Mm-hmm, yeah. Whoa! That was close. Oh, here comes the lasers. Oh! Ah, get on you, Sticks.
We're back from our afternoon constitutional and... What's this? Sonic and his friends infiltrated the lair? How did they know about Dr. Eggman's scheme?
We told them, remember, when we ratted
Yeah,
out...
just shut up. Just shut up, man. Whoa, whoa. Woo! Go, Knuckles! Oh, Tails attacking it. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, come on! Those magnets were password protected.
Password.
Maybe you should have picked something more secure than password 123.
Password 1, 2, 3. You squeal like a girl. You crawl away. You go behind Burnbot. Is it Burnbot? Oh! Ooh. Woo! Whoa! Woo!
Now that I think about it, I don't need to know where Morristown is. I hate traveling anyway. I never bring enough underwear.
You never bring enough underwear? Oh my gosh, I hate my... Whoa! Whoa. Shh!
Come on, Icon, let's go home.
Jeez! Oh man, you have to zap Eggman to like doing an Egg Benedict or something? Man, that would kill him. That would kill him.
Orbot, Cubot, you coming? Thanks for the offer, but I think we are needed here.
Okay.
This navigation system is loaded with more malware than an email forward from that old monkey guy.
I owe you all. We
Yeah.
had no idea that you primitive rodents were on the side of good.
Thanks, I think.
One might even say that you and Tails are the Myton and Bolts of the terrestrial world.
How about you're the Sonic and Tails of the sky?
Agree to disagree.
All finished. This spaceship should be good as new.
Aha! Capital! Bolts, set the coordinates to our robot utopia in the sky, Morristown.
Really? You didn't name your city something cool like Automatopolis? Or maybe something cloud-based like Nimbusville?
The people on this planet are way better at naming things than us. What's your city called?
Well, up until recently it was Unnamed Village.
Ah.
But now it's Hedgehog Village.
Yeah, that's not a good game.
Forget I said it.
Well, it's a pleasure having met you. I'm glad we could make peace.
Yeah. Sticks! No, 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 Sticks, don't, please. We already dealt enough damage, please, no. Wow. What the heck? Did it? Whoa! What the heck? Look, Tails! No!
Oh man, a cliffhanger? I hate those.
Oh, man, Knuckles! Thank you! Thank you! And oh my god, Tails, no! And oh my god, Knuckles, you have to break the fourth wall like that? Okay, so that was actually, oh my god, so that was, yeah, that was the Sonic Boom 4 episode special that we have all been, waiting for since they announced, yeah, that was actually a pretty good episode. I cannot wait to see what happens in the next episode. So yeah, let's just hold on to our seats for this one. Okay, let's just hold on to your seats for the next couple of episodes. So yeah, tell me what you guys. So we actually have these 2 new robots. So yeah, and they were gonna join Eggman, and then see how disrespectful he is towards his own robots. And yeah, like, you know what, forget it. You're not worthy. You give us a hard time. So yeah. Anyway, post a comment down below of what you guys think of this episode. Feel free to post a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also look in my Daily Motion account. Look me up on Twitter or Facebook. That's where I am most of the time. Or you can look me up at the Deviant or at my Facebook fanfiction profile. The links are down below in the description area. Anyway, this is Jesse from Jesse Order Productions, and I am signing off. You guys take care of yourselves and stay tuned for part 2 for the episode number 2 of this special. Bye.